Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I didn't get a chance to vlog anything because I've been super busy. So I thought what better to do a film on decorating some pumpkins. Last year I did some minion pumpkins, which were these ones here. And this year we are going to be painting some AnGRy pumpkins. What you will need is some paintbrushes, £1.60. You will need some emulsion paint. I have just gone for red, yellow, blue and grey whisper, which are tested pots from Wilko's £1 a tub, and of course 4 pumpkins of different sizes. So we are going to be doing Redbird, Blackbird and Yellowbird, and the boys are going to be painting their own AnGRy. As you can see, the minion ones kind of turned out pretty good, and when I try and do stuff recently, things happen to go wrong. So with any luck, they turn out perfect. They look like AnGRy and you guys love them. So let's get to it then. I am going to start by doing Redbird. I have never tried doing the AnGRy ones before, so hopefully they turn out good. So for him we need red, we need black, we need yellow, and we need the whitey grey colour, which is just a grey whisper. I don't know if you can see the colour there. And of course our paintbrushes, which in here, these are from Wilko's. These were £1.60, which you get more than what you do in the pound shop ones. So we've got some spongy ones. We've got some straight brush ones. We've got some little brushes, which will do good for doing the outline of the eyebrows and the eyes and the beaks. And we have a small sponge, and then we have some round little ones. I don't know if you can see them on there. So yes, I am going to start by doing the outline, and which I think I will do his face on the bigger part, which is here. I can't find a pencil, but I have got a pen. So first we are going to draw some AnGRy eyebrows. And you've got the cat jumping on my tripod. Winnie Winston. I have done his belly and eyes. I'm now going to colour in his beak, which you will need the yellow one. And there we have his face. I think that's kind of cool. Kind of like a Redbird once I've coloured him in. Now, some people absolutely love carving pumpkins, but if you're anything like me, then you are no good at carving pumpkins. We did try and carve some last year, and what an absolute mess they turned out to be. So I prefer to paint them. As I say, we did the minions and now we're doing AnGRy birds. can't go wrong, and they last a lot longer than what the carved ones do. So these can sit in the garden until we take them down. Well, they're not sitting in our garden, they will be sitting in Harvey's Nana's garden, because she's the one that does the Halloween house every year, which I will be vlogging tomorrow. So you need to make sure you check that vlog out. She is the queen of Halloween, and it's the only house around here that decorates. Usually you've just got pumpkins in windows, a few little cobwebs outside, and each year she does a different theme. Last year it was spiders. The year before, I think it was zombies and skeletons, and this year it's a clown theme. So you do not want to miss that vlog. It will be awesome. Oh, I've just got paint all over me. Oh dear. I am covered in paint. I have the red one more or less painted. Oh, I'm getting that all over my clothes. I'm going to go wash my hands. I am now going to do Blackbird because he's a much smaller one. I'm going to do him on the little one. Let's take the sticker off. Oh, and his head's fallen off. Winnie Winston, come off of my tripod. You little witch. I do not think I can do one vlog where I am not getting disturbed either by the kids or by the cat. Or by someone coming in the house. Someone's here. I had the cat trying to climb up the tripod. I've got the kids in the room playing with the toys. I've got Harrison pushing the chair around the room like it's a pram. So if you can hear any noise in the background, what I can hear right now, I apologise. But this is sometimes why I can't vlog. It's why I can't vlog sometimes, it's because they're just making too much noise, there's too much carrying on. And, well, people just don't want to listen to that all the time. But I'm going to keep fasting you anyway, so you won't be listening to all what I'm listening to. Let's see if you can hear it anyway. Right, I'm going to start with the white dot in the middle of his head, which I'm guessing is the... There we have Blackbird. Getting paint on me. There we have Blackbird. So I'm going to let him dry. I will then finish painting the bottom of him once he's dried. All that is left to do is Yellowbird, which is going to be on the bigger pumpkin here. Guys, here we have our Yellowbird. I don't think he looks as good as the other ones. As I say, we need to let him dry so we can roll him over and then paint underneath. I don't think they look too bad. We've got the red AnGRy bird, we've got the black bomb, and we've got yellow bird with his some kind of hair. Right, once they've dried, I can turn them round and paint the bottom of them. But that is how you do some AnGRy bird pumpkins. And if you're watching this, then today is my birthday, which is tomorrow, but you'll be watching this tomorrow, so today is my birthday, I guess. So don't forget to leave a very happy birthday to me down below. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you've done any painting your own pumpkins this year or carved your own, and let me know what you carved. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you tomorrow, which is my birthday. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye.